Welcome back to the Mickey Bunch. Come along with us as we ride the Barnstormer with the Great Goofini in New Fantasyland at Walt Disney World. All right, we're at the start of the plan. Ready? All right. Uh-oh. The longest ride ever. Thank you so much for riding along with us as we rode the Barnstormer in New Fantasyland. We love this ride. It's super short, but super fun. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do so you don't miss anything Mickey Bunch or anything Disney. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.
Look at Goofy, he's trying to jump in the jump.